Welcome to QLC online video tutorial. We'll see how to check reports in FieldSense. Let's see. After logging on the FieldSense web portal, that is web.fieldsense.in with your user ID and password, by default you will have a view of FieldSense dashboard, and at the left hand side you will see the menu screen. So under the menu you need to come to this section, reports. When you click on it, under reports you will find there are several reports like attendance, visits related report, expenses, travel, forms related reports. You can find it out, productivity related, compliance report you will have under this section. Today we will see the first four reports like attendance, visit and expenses. So I'll start with the attendance report. Under attendance report, on top you will have some statistics related to attendance. Like you can see, that is worked for total hours, what is the daily average hour that your user is working for, what is the attendance efficiency for your team, and the man days lost means the total days that your user were absent. And this data will be for by default for all your selected user for last 7 days. You can set any date range by simply clicking here, and you will have an option where you can search user for multiple user. You can see their data at a glance, and you will have option to filter it out on the basis of office location wise as well. Like you can see under this section, the username and their detail. If you click here, then you will find their day wise punch in detail, at what time they have punch in, what was the punch in location, punch out time, and punch out location, and total hour that they have worked on that day. So you can have such view like this for any user. If you like to see, simply click here, you will have the detail for that user. And there is an option master. If you click on master, you will have the attendance view like this, where the employee code, if you have mentioned it, name of the users, their reporting head, and likewise you can see their day wise absent or present, where P stands for present, A stands for absence, and efficiency also in percentage you can see here. And if you want to export all these report in Excel sheet, then simply click on export. All this report will get downloaded in Excel sheet, and you can work on that Excel sheet. And if you want to have a full screen view, so simply click on this. You will have this view where you can see all the data in a full screen on your system. Now I will move to the next report, that is visits. Under visit report, in a same manner, on top you will have some statistics related to your visits. Like you can see the total number of visits that your user has performed, what is exactly average visit per day that they are performing, what is total visit time in hour that you can see under this section, what is average visit duration, so on per visit how many hours they are spending. So overall statistics you will have. So we will check for one of few user. So I am just clicking on this cross sign, so all the user will get removed. Now I will search some salesperson, so we will have some statistics. Fine, and I'll show another one, and clicking on done. So two user is selected, and I'll go with the same date range. Clicking on this search icon, I will have the data related to them. So you can see under this name section in bracket, these are the visit that they have performed for this date range. And when you click here like this, you will have day wise count. Like if I want to see for particular day, I'll click like this, and I can see the details, like what is the detail when he has started the visit, what is the end of the visit, the customer where he has visited, and you can see this is the duration that they were on the visit, the outcome of the visit that you can see under this section, successful or it was failure. So you will have statistic related the visits under this section like this. You can see for other users also. All right, Now we will see another report, that is expenses. Under expenses report, you will have some statistics related to expense, like total amount your user has claimed for selected date range. You can see under this submitted by your users. Out of that, how much is approved, how much is disbursed, rejected. You will have a data related to your expense like this on top. And if you want to see for particular user, you will have option to search user under this section, and different category wise that you have created, you can see different category wise, you can filter the data and for any date range. And like this, you can see the username, the total amount that he has claimed. If you want to see these claim in detail, then simply click, you will have a date, and for particular day the user has claimed this amount. If you want to check the details, then you will have all the details of the expenses that he has claimed, like category, in which category he has claimed, and the header of the claim. If there will be any customer, then customer name will be mentioned. If there will be no any customer, it will show like this ad hoc. And the total amount that he has claimed, the status you can see. So once it will get approved or reject, you can see these details under these sections. Alright, now we will move to the next report, that is travel report. Under travel report, you can see the total distance that your user has traveled. What is the daily average kilometer that they are traveling? What is the travel time in hours? What is the average? What is the daily average hour that they are traveling? So you will have such statistics on top. And for any particular user, if you would like to check, I'll just check for one particular user. So I'm searching the user name, select the user, click on done, and I'll go with the same date range. So I'll have these statistics, like it's a day wise, when he has started, when he has end. And for more details, simply click here. Like for this particular day, if you want to check the travel details, then simply click here. You will have a view, like when he has started, at end time. You can see that from A location to B, the total time that he has spent there, that total distance that he has traveled. And spoofing related status you will have. Spoofing means if they are trying to generate a fake location, you will have uh, indication here. And GPS will be off, that indicates under this section GPS. And like this, you will have travel detail of the user, like from A location to B, when he has traveled, their related details, then B to C, and so on. You have the statistics till his punch out for the day. Alright, that's all for this video. For any further assistance or regarding any suggestion, you can write us a mail on support@qlc.in. Thanks for watching.